Hey Morocco Method fans! Let's dive into the buzzword of the hour, hair cycling. You might have caught wind of this popular new hair care trend on your favorite social hangouts, but guess what? It's not a new trend at all. Morocco Method pioneered this revolutionary approach 50 years ago when our founder, Mr. Anthony Morocco, began emphasizing the importance of rotating hair products to keep your scalp and hair at the pinnacle of health. Along with our stellar line of shampoos and conditioners, our Lunar hair cutting chart guides you to the optimal hair care routine. Now, why is shaking things up in your hair care routine crucial? Using the same products every time, it's like playing your favorite song on repeat. It gets old. Trust us, your hair is gonna throw a fit with issues like product buildup, and we're not about that drama. Our sulfate-free and vegan goodies promise a natural and luxurious cleanse. So spice up your life by switching between our shampoos and conditioners and keep the hair care regimen going strong. Feeling lost in a sea of choices? Morocco Method has your back. Check out our website for access to our exclusive Lunar hair care calendar and use your favorite products with the matching elemental days for best results. And hey, with March-Spring's equinox bringing that growth and renewal energy, it's prime time to kickstart or level up your fabulous hair cycling game. Start off the month by improving your root work. If you shampoo on March 5th or 6th, be sure to use our 𝙃𝙊𝙋𝙋𝙍 shampoo to thoroughly moisturize your scalp and establish a healthy foundation for your hair, much like the spring rains that will soon encourage new plant growth. Follow up with the Euro oil treatment and a scalp massage for even more intense hydration, and complete your root work ritual with a gentle brushing with your boar bristle brush. For our frequent washers, switch products with every shampoo, cycling between lunar dates. But if your next shampoo session is scheduled for March 9th or 10th, it's lengthening time. The Pine Shale shampoo is your scalp's Zen master, calming it down, bidding dandruff adieu, and sending growth vibes. Top it off with our Diamond Crystal Mist for lengthening and some frizz-free shine. It's your hair's red carpet moment. On March 13th and 14th, it's all about shining bright with the beautifying goal. Cue the henna party. Whether it's neutral or colorful, henna's on the menu for glossy locks. Remember not to shampoo for 24 hours after a henna treatment, but if you are washing your hair, you can indulge in our luxurious Heavenly Essence shampoo to increase luster and reduce flyaways. Follow your shampoo or henna treatment with our Pearl Essence Cream Rinse to seal the deal for that radiant finishing touch. Thickening time hits on March 17th, 18th, and 19th, aligning with the spring's equinox's lunar power surge. Normally, we would suggest using our Earth Essence shampoo or shampoo bar for the thickening goal, but this month we have a surprise. To celebrate this powerful celestial event, we have released a brand new shampoo bar to really focus on the equinox's energies for regrowth and renewal. Follow up with the Floating Lotus Conditioner and an Amla Mask to still take advantage of the lunar thickening energy, and the Sapphire Volumizing Spray for one more styling boost. Finish the month strong by using our strengthening products on March 25th through the 29th, which is also the time of the full moon. Shield your locks with the Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo or Zen Detox Mask, saying adios to radicals and pollutants. Finish up with our Citrus Silk Conditioning Bar, the secret sauce for silky cuticles and strong elastic hair, because who doesn't want to grow their hair long and strong? By keeping it fresh and alternating between our hair care delights, you can safeguard against product residues, diminish the likelihood of ingredient sensitivities, effectively address diverse hair care needs, and banish routine stagnation. Be sure to check out our Hair Restoration Starter Set, which comes with most of these amazing products to get you started. So buckle up, embrace hair cycling, and let the good hair times roll, because healthy, fabulous, and natural locks are the ultimate hair goal. If you're loving this hair care wisdom, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness. Stay fabulous and let your hair continue to thrive.